Nose. Where's Taylor's ear? Where's Taylor's tummy?
Where's your belly?
Where's your belly? Where's Mommy? Where's Mommy?
Yay!
That's right.
Where's Daddy?
Where's Jamie? Dave.
Where's Kathy with the camera?
Yeah.
Hint, hint. That's the correct answer.
We have a crew here doing the puzzle.
I wanted to come down
Jimmy's
here and talk.
working hard.
Don't talk to the
Understand my
Why
Oh,
not?
Mom, cut it out.
Nicole.
Give it a break.
Rudy and I have been married for 7 years.